Welcome to a series of video shorts of some of the most amazing places in and around the Lake District. For updates, please subscribe. Four locations in the Lake District to harbour a rare species of fish, the shelly. The shelly is a freshwater fish of the salmon family, endemic to 4 lakes in the Lake District. Include: it contains the lowest saturated fat content of any oil. It is a good source of omega-3, 6 and 9. It contains vitamin E, a powerful antitoxin. England, Long Meg and her daughters has a diameter of about 350 feet. Long Meg, the tallest, about 12 feet high, with 3 mysterious symbols in the style associated with the Bronze Age. Berghenge can be found just outside Penrith between the A6 and M6 on the B232. Near the centre is a single stone that was one of a group, with 2 more pairs standing at the entrance, but they have since been removed. Legend has it that the labourers involved St Michael's is constructed in stone with slate roofs. In addition to the tower, Norman features are found in the north doorway.